Right, now we want to look at how do we plot histogram in past. Plotting histogram in past is very easy, right? Very easy, easier than any other one. So we just need to uh, follow the same process. Copy our data here, which is the usual data we have been using before, our penguin. So we want to see how we can plot histogram with it. So we go to our past, okay, just paste here, all right. Just in case you want to use a group alongside with it, you can do that. All right, so paste here. So then we can remove this. Now we want to normally so histogram actually just give us the distribution uh, of each of the numeric variable, okay, per one per variable. It gives us the distribution of that variable in form of frequency. So it has a bins, it has bins. Each bins represents a frequency. Okay. All right. So now we can just plot for this particular body mass only. Go to plot, select histogram. All right. So you can see histogram here. So we can increase the number of bins. If the bins is too small, we can increase the number of bins. And so here, just increase the number of bins. All right. All right. Also, we can also fit normal. Okay, but we don't want to fit normal because that will be deceptive. It make it look as if the histogram is normally distributed. All right, so don't fit normal, just use kernel density. All right, kernel will show you the situation of things. You know, this normal situation, this normal state of this particular normal shape of the data now of this particular histogram now. Okay, for this particular variable, this normal shape. So it's not very fully normal, I mean, conforming to normal distribution. Okay, but at least it's very close. Okay, you can see here, very close. Even though it's tilted here, it's a positive skew. That's what I mean. It's skewed positively. You can see here. So, but it's not that too much. Okay, it's not too much. So you can also flip it. Okay, if you want to flip it, and then in the graphical setting, you can do the setting as usual. So it's the common setting I've been using before. This is frequency, and this can be changed to what do you call it now? Our title. We are looking at a body mass. Okay, body mass. Okay, so that is it. So you can show here body mass is showing here, and frequency is showing here. So that is how to plot histogram. You can save our histogram. You want to save so. But that is not all about histogram. You can add your grid. You want to add your grid. You can increase the size of the font here, right? So with we can also plot two or more histogram together, but by based on the categorical variable we want to use now. For example, grouping variable. Let's say we want to plot this body mass now based on a species. We have species, the different species that we have. Okay, let's look at it from different island, right? Just so that control can select this. Okay, you want to look at it from different island now. You can just go to plot histogram. Okay, so you can see on different islands. So you can see this. So you can increase this to see more. And so you can just use the kernel to see their shape individually. See their shape individually. Each of them you can see. It seems as if you can see this what do you call it now? This one is a dream island. Okay, this dream island here. You can see Bisco here. This Bisco here. You can see Tokisi here. Right. You can see Bisco is having more better shape here. Okay, better normal shape. Okay, and also you can see one normal shape from Dream Island also. Looking at it, but this one Tokisi is a little bit poor, not well distributed. Okay, so you can see that here. So this is how you plot. So if you cannot do biplot based on this now, you cannot do biplot if you are dealing with only two numeric data. I mean numeric variables. And we can do biplot, one plot up, one plot down to see their distribution in form of a, bipolar method. So that is that. So we can just save our data if you want. Okay, and save it. Right. So you can change the color here. Right, the one you want. Right. Okay, like this. Right. So I can save now. As PNG. I can call it histogram. So I can also increase the size. Want to increase, and I can put a label here. I can call it the base is now species. Say species, no island. Right, island. Island is shown here. So to make it more bigger, I can just use the 14. Good, 14 is okay. Make it more clearer and bigger. So we can also add our grid to it. Okay. Let me save again. So that's all about histogram. It's very simple, very easy. So, but you can also do by plot or by histogram also. Here you can see their numbers here. Okay, B start, B end. Again, you can see the B school. You can see Dream Island. You can see them here. So you come along with the number settings. So, but you can see the plot. Let's say I want to plot flipper and body mass on the same graph histogram. I can do that also. That is by plot. I can do by by histogram then. So you can see here. So I just click on by histogram, right? So here just this one having enough being, so I can just say by histogram here. One will be open, one will be down, and look at it in different form. I also had my kernel, but if I want to, then you can increase the. Let's see. Yeah, they have different, but it's good. Let us look at this look at the B length and the B depth. Okay, that could be better. Right, so let's look at it in the form. Let's now by okay, let's increase this. And so this is just a call by histogram. Okay, you can have your numbers here for each of them. So that is that for now. So I think I stop here today. I will see us again in the next class. I will look at other things on the past. Thank you so much.